Welcome to 6238 Marcum Street in Englewood, Florida. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,578 square foot home with cathedral ceiling, split bedroom design, tile throughout, granite, extended lanai, nice quiet setting. Let's go take a look. Upon entry, we have the great room with cathedral ceilings. Nice spacious feel, tile throughout, Bahama shutters in most of the interior windows. Looking out, there's the lanai in the rear yard, granite in the kitchen, stainless appliances. We've got a dining area here. Off to the right is the master. Nice bright color. Apparently it was a little dark for the previous owner, so she brightened it up. Traditional bathroom with vanity, toilet. We have a tiled shower, Roman shower. Very nice. The other side of the kitchen, got your living room area here. Other side of the kitchen is the guest quarters. We've got second bathroom with a combination shower tub with tile, vanity, etc. Once again, tile throughout on all the floors, Bahama shutters in most of the interior. Guest bedroom, good size. Laundry, room for most any type washer that you wish. Take a look at this third bedroom. It's really unique, perfect for the home office. Bahama shutters, tile, and we have built-in desk with drawers, as well as cabinets, built-in cabinets. And for that guest that sneaks in to visit you during season, we have a Murphy bed. Very interesting. Well, I'll try doing this one-handed while still taking the video. Just need to put the legs down. But now you've got a nice double bed for that guest, as well as maintaining your office space. Pretty neat setup. We'll fold it up when the guests go along. Once again, one-handed. Wouldn't necessarily suggest it, but it is spring-loaded and such, so it can be done. We'll sneak a peek out to the rear yard. Notice the French doors. Double lanai. It looks like they extended it to double the size, screened in lanai. So for those nice cool evenings. Then leads out to the rear. I'll go over the side here, give you some perspective. We do have room for a pool. The far side there that you see is septic, so that is not available. But anywhere from the extension of the lanai over to behind me is available. Just have to work with setbacks and zoning and such. Notice we do have a 6 or 8 foot garden along the full rear. Bit overgrown right now, but this could be your space for your green thumb. Thank you for viewing 6238 Marcum Street in Englewood, Florida. Give me a call, George Chapel, 941-681-0444, and let's schedule a private viewing for you. This can be your southern base, right in the heart of Englewood, close to the beaches, boating, fishing, most any warm weather activity that you're looking for. Thank you for viewing once again. Nice spacious lanai. Looks like it's been doubled in size. We have the French doors coming out to the lanai, accordion storm shutters, which is very nice. One less thing to do. But nice area for table. Enjoy the evening breezes. Look out at the, stay out of the sun. Look out at the garden in the rear yard. Thank you for viewing. Got the entrance, great room, cathedral ceilings, nice open feeling, kitchen, breakfast area, master off to the right, guests to the left. We have granite in the kitchen. Nice job. Ample cabinets, stainless steel appliances, refrigerator. Ready to go. Move in ready. Give us a call. 941-681-0444. And you can beat the rush and have your place this winter when it's howling up north. Stop by, give me a call, let's arrange for a private showing. Thank you for viewing.